In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an accordion dropdown in Squarespace, an essential feature that can enhance the navigation and presentation of your website's content. This is especially useful if you have a lot of information you'd like to condense into a tidy, user-friendly format, such as FAQs or detailed sections that users can expand or collapse as needed. Let's dive right into the process. First, navigate to your Squarespace website editor. This is where all the magic happens as you bring your design to life. Once there, you'll want to locate the Add Block button. This is a central component of the Squarespace editor and allows you to add various elements and functionalities to your site, including our target, the accordion dropdown. Once you've clicked on Add Block, a menu will appear. From this menu, select Accordion. This tool will create the collapsible section that users can interact with to either view or hide the content you wish to display. After adding the accordion block, you'll see it populate onto your page, and this is where the customization begins. Now, click on Edit. This is an important step to insert the specific content you want to display in your accordion. You'll notice an arrow on the right side of the block. Click on it to begin editing. Here you can input a title which serves as the clickable element for the accordion. Make sure the title is clear and descriptive to encourage users to delve deeper into your content. With your title in place, move on to entering your description. This description is the text that users will see when they expand the accordion. Details here are key, so ensure your content is concise yet informative. Next, click on Back, then Design. This step invites you to choose a text style for your title. The style can affect how engaging or eye-catching your text appears, so feel free to experiment with different options until you find the perfect match. Similarly, select a style for the text description to keep your design consistent and visually appealing. Once your content looks great, decide whether you want to allow multiple items to be open at once. If so, enable that option before selecting the icon size, thickness, and placement. Each of these settings helps refine how the accordion's interactive elements appear on your site. Now, it's time to tweak the row padding. This aspect can make your accordion look neat and professional, with just the right amount of space around your content. After this, you'll customize any necessary background and stroke designs, which further enhance the accordion's appearance. Finally, if a blur effect is required, apply it before moving on to click Save. This crucial step locks in all your hard work and ensures it's visible to your site visitors. And there you have it, a fully customized accordion dropdown for your Squarespace site. By following these steps, you have successfully enhanced your site's functionality and presentation, making it even more user-friendly for your visitors.